Looking for an easy, refreshing cold drink that's light, slightly sweet, and of course, boasts some health benefits? Well, look no further. This rosemary orange tea does not disappoint. Let me show you how to make it. Before I show you how to make this rosemary orange iced tea, I want to tell you about some of the health benefits of rosemary. Rosemary helps improve brain health, it fights off bacterial infections, it helps prevent diabetes, and it protects the liver. It also is a great enhancement to this iced tea, which you'll find out when you make it. So let me show you how. For this recipe, you'll need a large pitcher, about 64 ounces of bottled iced tea, or you can make your own iced tea. I typically make a combination of green and white tea for this recipe because it's light and it's refreshing. You'll also need 2 oranges, or you can use cuties like I did, 1 lemon, and 5 sprigs of rosemary. To make this recipe, pour the tea that you've made or the tea that you bought into a large pitcher. Squeeze the juice of 1 orange into the pitcher. Slice the remaining orange and the lemon and add that to the pitcher. Crush the rosemary to release the oils and add that to the pitcher. Then you're going to want to let this tea sit for best results for about 4 hours at room temperature. After that, you can strain the tea to remove the rosemary and then pour it over ice, or you can also serve it hot depending on the time of year. I personally like it cold over ice. And then you can garnish it as well with oranges or rosemary. Well, I sure hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this. Don't forget that bell icon for future notifications. I'll see you next time.